AI in SAP Consulting. How do you feel about it? How do consultants feel about it? And the results were like 52% said they were completely excited about it. So that's fine. That's covered. 52% is with you, I think. 27% said they're cautious because it's unproven at the moment, and this could be perspective. So that's why we do the polls. The most concerning was there are 17% who said they're concerned about their job. So this question is not for the 52% or the 26% who are cautious or excited. This is for the 17% who are actually concerned about their job. And it's a fair point. Like, if I have like 10 consultants working on any implementation project now, I may have 2 consultants in future with the tools, say with Qorelo. How would you defend that? Like, what's happening? Is it like AI colleague is basically AI replacement, or that figure is basically on your website as well. It says 50% faster delivery, 31% less manual work, 45% cost savings. That's what Qorelo does to you. Where have these numbers come from? Because when I posted it, somebody posted saying these are fabricated numbers. And I said, I'll have the answers ready when I record this particular podcast. Hello and welcome. This is the Modish Exchange. You're watching the Builders Edition, where the aim is to talk to the real builders who are kind of developing products on AI that can affect us. So if you think you're building something exciting, do reach out. Modish Tech would be happy to collaborate. This is interesting one. If SAP CEO just gets a link of this recording, comes into this podcast, what would you say the first thing?
We're going to help you that your software is being implemented so much more efficiently. And I think you will be quite happy about it.
Yeah, I agree. Reduce the ratio of cost of software to implementation.